Hello friends, welcome back. So after completion of exercise 5.1, so let's start with the section formula. So what is this section is? Suppose we have any 2 points in our space. Suppose this is the case, this is the point A, and suppose this is the point B, and suppose we have some another point in between the A and B and on the same segment AB. Suppose this is the point R. Okay, then what we say in this case, this point R is dividing this segment AB, and as it R lies in between AB, we say it is the internal section. So it becomes the internal section. Okay, then what about the external section? We'll have another case. Suppose the same 2 points we have A and B. Suppose this is a point A and this is a point B here. And now in this case, suppose we have some another point P, but this P is lying outside this segment, but on this segment if you extend this AB. What I mean, if I extend this AB line on the both sides, okay, then if suppose the P lies outside this segment AB, the P is lying, but important thing is what, your P should lie on this segment AB after your extension. Okay, so in this case we have the external section. External, you can say division or section. Okay, now in this case P is dividing the segment AB externally as it is lying outside the segment AB. This is the internal section, this is the external section. Now this section has to be of some length. Suppose we have this AR length, this AR length is equal to suppose M, and suppose this RB length is suppose it is equals to N. Okay, so what you can say from this figure is it is AR by RB is equals to what? M by N. Yes or no? AR and RB is equals to M by N. And if I change the notation and if I take these vectors, okay, if I take these vectors, then what happens? AR bar by RB bar equals to M and N. That is the magnitude. Okay, so we'll not go in detail because after a few minutes we will be dealing with that part only. Okay, so coming back to this external section, now how you will write the ratio here? So okay, so AP bar, now AP bar, this whole length, AP bar, this whole length we are talking about. Suppose this is M, so AP bar, that is AP divided by BP or PB. AP by PB is equals to what? Suppose this is N, it is again M by N. Yes, then this is what the external section is. Okay, so here also if I consider the vectors, so AP bar will be in this direction and the PB bar will be in this direction. So please make a note that here the two vectors are opposite to each other, but here the two vectors are in the same direction. Okay, so इसका हम लोग यूज करने वाले बाद में. In the coming section we will be making use of this part. Okay, so this is all about your internal section and external section is. Now let's derive the formula. So based on this internal section we have one theorem, it is called as a section formula. So theorem number 5, everyone please make a note of this very important theorem. Theorem number 5. So what is the statement is, let A in bracket A bar, that is a position vector of point A, and B with position vector of B, be any 2 points, be any 2 points in the space, okay, then what, and R bar, that is point R with position vector R bar, be a point on the line segment, be a point on the line segment, okay, AB dividing it internally, dividing it internally in the ratio, in the ratio m is to n, then r bar is equals to mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. So this we have to show, this we have to prove. If a bar, b bar and r bar are the respective position vectors of point a, b and r, and if this r is dividing this section ab internally in the ratio m is to n, then we have to show that r bar is equals to mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. Okay, so let's take the same figure here. This is the figure, point a, point b. Okay, we have somewhere here the point r. Okay, these are the points as they have given the position vectors, so position vector is always starts from the origin. Okay, so let's have these a bar, b bar and r bar. So let's join this. This will be my a bar, a bar, this will be b bar. Okay, this is my b bar and this will be the r bar, this will be the r bar. Okay, the statement says that this r is dividing this segment AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Okay, it is m and it is n. Then we have to show that r bar is equals to mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. So just making use of this formula, that is a figure. From figure what you can say, it is AR upon RB is equals to what? It is a m by n. AR upon RB is equals to m by n. And if I make use of the vector notation, what will happen? So let's take this as a AR bar and this is RB bar. Okay, so what happens is AR bar, okay, I will write here only, so implies in the vector notation AR bar plus upon RB bar is equals to m by n. As the direction is same, we have only the magnitude, so make a cross multiplication, so you will be having n AR bar equals to m RB bar. Okay, now let's open this AR bar and RB bar. How you can write AR bar, which is nothing but R bar minus A bar equals to m into bracket B bar minus R bar. Okay, as the position vector is given. So let's open this, n R bar minus n A bar equals to m B bar minus m R bar. So let's take R bar on the LHS side, n R bar, so take this minus m here this side, m R bar equals to m B bar. Let's take this minus n A bar on this side plus n A bar. So take R bar common from the LHS, so R bar in bracket m plus n, which is equals to m B bar plus n A bar upon nothing upon. Okay, so that will be the next step. Okay, it's m B bar plus n A bar upon me m plus n. That's it. This is the only thing we have to show that. So R bar becomes what? R bar is m B bar plus n A bar upon m plus n. So if we use the figure, and it will be very easy to remember that. So you take the m bar on this side m and you multiply with the B bar, you take n and you multiply with this A bar. So opposite रहेगा, always remember m B bar and n A bar opposite रहेगा, साथ में नहीं रहेंगे. साथ में means what? You will not get m A bar, that is absolutely wrong. Okay, so remember that it is a cross, m into B bar then n into A bar. Is it okay? Very good. So let's see the question based on this. So first question number 1, find the coordinate of the point which divides find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points a in bracket 2 minus 6 8 and b in bracket 1 this is minus 1 3 and minus 4 internally in the ratio 1:3. Internally in the ratio 1:3. Okay, so we have to find out the coordinate of one point which divides the segment AB internally in the ratio 1:3. So again let's try to have a figure here. So this is point A, this is point B with the coordinates 2 minus 6 8. So no need to draw this figure, just as this is the first question I am giving you again explanation. So let we have the point R which divides the segment AB in the ratio what? M:n, so it is 1 and it is 3. So it is 1 and it is a 3. Now make use of the formula. What I told you that cross में जाएगा 1 into B and 3 into A रहेगा अभी. Okay, so your R bar is equals to what? It is 1 into, that is M B bar. So it is M B bar plus N A bar upon M plus N. So here value of M and N are what? 1 and 3. So R bar is equals to, what is M? It is 1. What is B bar? It is minus I plus 3J and minus 4K. So this is minus 4K. It is minus 4K plus N कितना है बॉस? N 3 है into what is A bar? It is 2I minus 6J plus 8K. See, the point is given but we are taking its a position vector divided by M plus N, which is nothing but 1 plus 3, which is 4. It is equals to 4. Now open the brackets. Let's see what we get. It is minus I plus 3J minus 4K plus 6I minus 18J plus 24K all divided by 4. Now add the same vectors I, J, K. So it is minus I plus 6J, ये हो गया 5I, sorry minus I plus 6I, ये हो गया 5I plus 3J minus 18J becomes minus 15J. Okay, minus 4 plus 24 becomes plus 20K all divided by what? So 4. Okay, so what are the coordinates? So this is what the position vector of point R bar. This becomes the position vector of point R bar. So what will be the coordinates then? Simply the coordinates which what? You just remove this I, J, K, you will get the coordinates. Therefore, the R coordinates becomes what? It is 5 by 4, comma, minus 15 by 4, comma, 20 by 4 means it is a 5. So this is what the coordinate of a point R. Is it okay? It's very simple. Good. Now, after this internal section, we have the external section proof. Okay, so that is the next part, the section number, that is theorem number 6. So let's have this theorem number 6. Again, very simple. EOREM, theorem number 6. So what I will do, I will take the statement will remain same. So only instead of the internal, you will be having this extra. So this is not a statement, sorry. Yes, here is the statement. Let's copy this. Okay, copy and let's paste here so that we will not rewrite this statement. I will do the necessary changes here. Okay, see here. So we will be having the theorem number 5. It's not 5th. So it will be theorem number 6. Okay, the statement will go like this: let A and B be any two points in this space and R bar be any point on the line segment AB dividing it. Okay, instead of internal we will have now externally in the ratio m is to n. Then the R bar is equals to what we have to show, that m b bar minus n a bar upon m minus n. Everything will remain same, just you replace the positive sign by negative sign. Okay, so let's understand using figure. So what it be like, there is a bar, this is point A and this is point B suppose, and we have on the segment somewhere here R. Okay, as they have given these position vectors, so let's have the position vectors. A bar, this is A bar, this is origin, this is B bar, okay, and this is what we have is the R bar. This is the R bar. Okay, now this is what our external section is. So here if you observe very carefully, you can look at this question as the internal section also. How? Now take the segment AR and observe that this point B is dividing the section AR internally in the ratio what? M is to n we can say. But in this question, in this theorem what they have given, this part is what? It is M and this part is equals to n. Okay, so what will be this part then? What will be AB? This part, ये कितना हो गया? It is what? It is total M and it is NA, so it will be what? It is M minus N. So it will be M minus N. Now you can see that this point B is dividing this section AR internally in the ratio M minus N by N. Okay, so we'll make use of the theorem number 5 and we'll directly write down here. Okay, the point B divides the segment AR internally in the ratio M minus N is to N. Therefore, what you can say with the help of the theorem number 5, that is a B bar is equals to M minus N R bar. See what I told you, go in cross, M minus N R bar and N A bar. Okay, so M minus N R bar plus N A bar upon M minus N plus N, M plus N. Okay, so क्या क्या cancel हो जाएगा, ये cancel हो गया. So what is remaining is M B bar. I'm taking this M this side. It is equals to M R bar minus N R bar plus N A bar. Okay, so take the N A bar on the LHS side. So you will be having M B bar minus N A bar equals to R bar, take common M minus N. So let's have this R bar is equals to what? It is M B bar minus N A bar upon M minus N. That's it. This is the only thing they are asking us to prove. So what approach we had used here in this case is indirect approach. Okay, so indirectly we are finding the coordinates of this point R, and that approach is what? This segment B is dividing the point B is dividing the segment AR internally in the ratio M minus N is to N. Okay, so we had used the theorem number 5. So this we are directly taken from theorem number 5. Just now we have proved that. Okay, so nothing to worry here, don't get confused, just see the observe the formula. वो फॉर्मूला और ये फॉर्मूला सिर्फ प्लस और माइनस का खेल है, नेगेटिव, एक्सटर्नल, पॉजिटिव, इंटरनल. So let's use and let's find out the answer to the first question. So the question goes like this: Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take the same above question and let's have the external here. Question number 2. Okay, copy, paste here. Okay, what you have pasted, boss? No, it's wrong. I want this statement, question statement. Yes, I want this part. Okay, we'll make use of the same statement. We'll just replace the internal by external. Okay, yes, good. Okay, so find the coordinate of a point. So question number 2. So find the coordinate of a point which divides the line joining the segment A and B. So we'll make now externally. So we'll replace this internal by externally in the ratio 1:3. Okay, so how you will go? Without using the figure now, please don't make use of the figure now. 1:3 bola, so directly you can write the formula for internal and you just replace plus by minus n. So you will be having r bar is equals to mb bar minus mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. Okay, so what is m here? This is a m and this is n, this is a bar and this is a b bar. Okay, so let's use that. So m, that is 1 into b bar, it's minus I plus 3j minus 4k minus 3 into bracket, that is n into bracket 2i minus 6j plus 8k upon में m minus n. m minus means 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay, so it is equals to, it is I plus 3j minus 4k minus 6i plus 18j minus 24k whole divided by minus 2, which is equals to minus ये हो गया minus 7i plus 3 and plus 18 ये हो गया 21j and here minus 4 and minus 24 हो गया minus 28k whole divided by minus 2. So this is what the position vector of r. So they are asking for this coordinates point. So the coordinate point will be what? Just a coefficient of ijk. So it is minus 7 by 2. So minus minus cancel. So we'll have only 7 by 2, comma minus 21 by 2, comma it is a 28 by 2, means it is a 14. So this will be the coordinate of a point r when it is dividing the segment AB externally. Is it okay? Good, very good. So with this we will stop here. So please go through all these 2 theorems and the question. It's very simple, and the remaining application of this section formula we will see in the next video. Thank you.